Welcome to Esther Equation Corner. We want to resolve this problem today. We have root 2 plus root x equal to 2. So for us to resolve this, we'll start by squaring both sides. So we have root 2 plus root x all squared equal to 2 to the power of 2. But then we know that a plus b all squared equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. So when we apply this to this place, we'll then be having root 2 all squared plus root x all squared plus 2 times root x times root 2 all equal to 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So when we simplify this will cancel this, we have 2 plus this cancel this, we have plus x plus 2 root 2x all equal to 4. So this is 2 root 2 x plus x plus 2 equal to 4. So let's rearrange this. We have 2 root 2x all equal to 4. This x crossing over becomes minus x, and we have minus 2. So this will give us 2 root 2x all equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have 2 minus x. So we divide both sides. We divide both sides by 2. We have 2 root 2x over 2 equal to 2 minus x over 2. So this will give us root 2x. This will take care of this. All equal to 2 minus x all over 2. So to eliminate this square root, we square both sides. We have all equal to 2 minus x all over 2 all to the power of 2. But when we have a over b all squared, this is equal to a squared all over b squared. So this thing will then become, this will cancel this, we have 2x all equal to 2 minus x all squared all over 2 to the power of 2. So we have 2x equal to, when we simplify this, we have 2 to the power of 2, which is 4, s to the power of 2, which is x squared, and we have minus 4x all over 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So from here we multiply both sides by 4. We have 4 times 2x all equal to 4 times 4 plus x squared minus 4x all over 4. So this becomes 8x equal to, this will cancel this, we have 4 plus x squared minus 4x. So we can actually move all these variables to the left hand side. We have x squared minus 4x minus 8x plus 4 all equal to 0. So this is x squared minus 4 minus 8, we have minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We'll be using the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So using the quadratic formula, our a is 1, our b is minus 12, and our c is 4. Thank you for watching Esther Equation Corner. So we have x equal to minus 12 plus or minus 12 all squared minus 4 times 1 times 4 all over 2 times 1. So this becomes x equal to 12 plus or minus 12 to the power of 2 is 144 minus 4 times 4 is 16 all over 2. So we have x equal to 12 plus or minus 144 minus 16. We have 128 all over 2. So x is equal to 12 plus or minus 128 is the same as 64 times 2 all over 2. So x is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 64 is 8. So we have 8 root 2 all over 2. So x is equal to 2 dividing 12 is 6 plus or minus 8 divided by 2 we have 4 root 2. So this simply means that x is equal to 6 plus 4 root 2 or x is equal to 6 minus 4 root 2. So we'll be verifying these two answers. So the question is root 2 plus root x all equal to 2. Now let's use the positive value first. So we want to verify with the positive value. We have root 2 plus our x is 6 plus 4 root 2 all equal to 2. So we have root 2 plus root 6 plus 4 root 2 is equal to 2 root 8. So it simply means that here will become 2 root 8 all equal to 2. We have root 2 plus root 6 can be written as 4 plus 2 plus 2 root 8 all equal to 2. So we have root 2 plus root 4 plus 2 plus 2 root 8 can be written as 4 times 2 all equal to 2. So we have root 2 plus square root of 4 can as well be written as the square root of 4 all squared plus 2 can as well be written as the square root of 2 all squared plus we have 2 root 4 root 2 all equal to 2. Root 2 plus square root of root 4 plus root 2 all squared all equal to 2. Root 2 plus this square root take care of this square. We have root 4 plus root 2 all equal to 2. So this will be 2 root 2 plus root 4 all equal to 2. But this and this are not equal. So the left hand side not equal to the right hand side. It simply means that the first solution, this solution, is wrong. So we try for the second one. Remember the values of x are 2. The positive value and the negative value. So we'll be verifying for the second value. So we have 6 minus 4 root 2. Remember, the question is root 2 plus root x all equal to 2. So this will give us root 2 plus root 6 minus 4 root 2 all equal to 2. We have root 2. So we repeat the same step we took using the positive value. So 6 is written as 4 plus 2 minus 2 root 8 all equal to 2. So root 2 plus root 4 plus 2 minus 2 root 4 root 2 all equal to 2. So you have root 2 plus 4 is written as the square root of 4 all squared plus square root of 2 all squared minus 2 root 4 root 2 all equal to 2. So this becomes root 2 plus the square root of root 4 plus root 2 all squared equal to 2. So we have root 2 plus, this will cancel this, we have root 4 minus root 2 all equal to 2. So this cancel this, we have root 4 equal to 2. Square root of 4 is 2, which is equal to 2. So it simply means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it satisfies the equation. Thus, we conclude that our x is equal to 6 minus 4 root 2. Thank you for watching Esther Equation Corner. Subscribe and on your notification bell so that you keep getting updates whenever we release new solutions.